Okay, in a rich text object, you paste in your letter that you wanted. Okay, now I've got both of it, but I will show you. So for example, I want to insert in my template the date over here. Okay, I will come to this insert expression button, click on variables, click on date, and today's date will be automatically inserted. To enter item from our data from the SQL query that we are doing, we will again come to insert expression, but come to data, and now here we want to include the candidate ID, which is over here. Okay, we will do this till all the terms have been replaced, so that it looks like above here. Okay, you can increase the size of any items. For example, let's say I want this to be 14. You can bold few things. For example, for us, candidate ID is important, we can bold it as well. You click on OK button, okay, and you right click and say stretch to max height. This allows you to write, this allows your letter to go on to multiple pages if you have more information. You save this to repository again and you preview this. No, something is wrong. Oh, perfect. So here we are, the confirmation letter, all the details which have been picked up. Now we want to include the header of a specific company. For that, you need to come to picture object, draw it where you want. So for example, in this scenario, we want it on the header. Okay, and you just click the OK button. Okay, now in this window, by selecting picture, you will come to on before print, because before printing we want to change this to the variable as per the company. Okay, so we'll double click this and a window like this will open up. Again, open the code which has been provided to you, which is photo.ps. Here simply we say that we want to have a file link as per the company logo variable which has been provided here. Okay, company logo, if you remember, was a part of the webhook. Let me show it to you here. So this is the company logo, KBI underscore logo. We can change it to whatever we want. So let me just show it to you what it will load over here. You will again save this and you will try and run this from here, and KBI logo has been loaded over here. Now let's change this up. We go back and now we take key, save this, come back to it. Okay, and again you run this script and it will dynamically load. So as per the company name, which is as per the location of the logo, we now have a dynamic header which is provided to us. It's one line of code. Okay, you can obviously try and figure this out, but in my opinion it's just easy if this is a part of the webhook, and it's just easier to capture this on the form itself. Okay, so we save this, and here we have a form which loads stuff dynamically. Of course, now we do need to clean more things to it. You can increase or decrease the size, you can make things bold, you can change the confirmation letter, you can remove the report title, but that is for an advanced class right now. Here just simply things are working. Now we will save this. Okay, the next part we talk about how to create a package so that this report can be dynamically populated. Thank you.